Hey guys, it's Pro here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get into YouTuber Custom games in Fortnite. Recently, many YouTubers have begun doing Fortnite Customs for monetary prizes, so I decided to make this video to help you guys all out. Make sure to watch the whole video, as if any of these steps are not done properly, you'll not be able to get into the Fortnite lobbies. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first step is to just follow the YouTubers on whichever platform they announce the Fortnite Customs on, and turn on notifications. Most YouTubers will do these on Twitter, so I recommend for you to do this step there. However, a couple of YouTubers do this step on Instagram, Discord, or other platforms, so just make sure to follow and turn on your notifications for them on those platforms. Most YouTubers will tell you which platform they use for custom games in their YouTube videos, so just make sure to watch those. For the second step, go into your Fortnite settings and change your matchmaking region to the same as the YouTuber. If you don't know what region they are from, they will most likely post this on their announcement. If you don't do this step, you will not be able to get into the Fortnite Custom. Afterwards, select the game mode that the Fortnite Custom will be in. Again, if you don't know which game mode it is, the YouTuber will most likely share this information in their announcement. Now, click the Custom Options button and type in the code that the YouTuber created. Click the Accept button on the Custom Matchmaking pop-up, and then click the Accept button under the game mode. Once you have done all of this, just ready up and you'll be added to the queue. The game will start once the YouTuber has started it himself. The most important thing to note with this whole process is that you need to be as quick as possible. If you're trying to join a game of a popular YouTuber, the queue will fill up in minutes. So to increase your chances, make sure to turn on notifications to the platforms which the YouTubers announce the custom games on, and be ready to type in the code as fast as possible. Well guys, that's all I have for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.